is inflation? In today's video, we will talk about the economic concept of inflation and how to calculate inflation and how to deal with it. Let's begin. What is inflation? Inflation can be described as the gradual loss of a currency's purchasing power over time. The rise in the average price of specific goods and services produced in an economy over time could be applied to determine a quantitative measure of the rate with which purchasing power deteriorates. An increase in the general price level of goods, sometimes calculated as a percentage, implies that a currency unit can now purchase fewer things than before. Inflation is distinguished from deflation when money's spending power rises while prices fall. How is inflation measured? The cost of living for the people is determined by the prices of various products and services and the proportions in household expenditure. Therefore, government entities initiate domestic surveys to determine a set of reckoned items bought and track the cost of buying this set of products over time to quantify the mean of consumers' cost of living. For example, in the United States, the expenses of housing, which include rent and mortgages, make up the most significant portions of the consumer's set of products and services. The Consumer Price Index, the most widely used measure of inflation, is the price of this set at a particular time expressed comparatively to a base year. Consumer price inflation is the change in percentage in the CPI over a given period. What causes inflation? Inflation is caused by an excess of the supply of money, which can occur through various mechanisms in the economic system. For example, the financial institutions can increase the supply of money by printing and providing out more money to individuals, or by legitimately devaluing or decreasing the money of the legal tender currency, or more the most common method, which is by lending new money in the economy as reserve fund credits through the financial system by acquiring government bonds from banking systems on the secondary market. When the supply of money increases, the capital loses its power of purchasing. How to deal with inflation? The best disinflationary policies or regulations designed to lower inflation are determined by why the inflation occurred. If the economy has got too hot, central banks can use recessionary policies to reduce consumer spending by increasing interest rates if they are dedicated to bringing about price stability. Some major banks worldwide have preferred to enforce monetary discipline by keeping the exchange rate fixed, tying the value of their currency with other currency, and thus their monetary policy tying with that of another country. However, with this method, the degree of success varies with the different countries. This is all about inflation, so comment and let me know what new things you've learned from this video.